Hi, and welcome to Johnson Plastics Plus. I'm Chris, and today we're going to introduce you to our latest addition to our sublimation product line, the Epson F170 printer. And we're going to show you how easy it is to take a blank sublimation product, such as this can cooler, and turn it into a personalized finished product, such as this, using this Epson F170 printer. So why choose the Epson F170 printer? It is a small, portable, simple printer to use, very easy interface, easy cost of entry. Everything you need is included in the box to get started. It has built-in ink tanks that are easy to fill up with the included ink bottles. There's no conversion process needed, so it's purpose-built for sublimation. The paper is loaded into the front, and it can take letter size 8.5 by 11 or legal size 8.5 by 14 as its maximum size. And now we'll demonstrate for you how easy it is to create your own sublimation products using the Epson F170 printer. So everything you need to get started with the Epson F170 printer is included in the box. So you will fill your ink tanks and you will load your paper. And you want to make sure to use a sublimation paper, a good quality sublimation paper. We'll just pull out the paper tray. We'll make sure we orient our paper face down in the tray. We'll slide it in until it stops at the back. Slide it shut, and then we can pull out our paper tray so that the paper will land on this once it comes out of the printer. And once the print job is done, we're ready to press our project. Another great feature about the Epson F170 printer is that it does not require any additional software to work. It only needs the print driver to be installed on your computer, and that therefore allows you to print straight out of your artwork software. So now that we have our artwork printed, I'm going to walk through how easy it is to set up your sublimation product and prepare it for heat pressing. So we'll first cut our paper in half. Since this is a double-sided product, we're going to press it 2 times, 1 on each side. So we're going to start with one side first, and we'll use our heat tape to secure our blank product to the printout. We're going to center our blank on our printout, and notice that the printout has a bleed. In other words, the artwork is slightly larger than the edges of the physical blank product itself. That's so that we ensure that we get our color to go clear to the edge of the finished product. And we'll go ahead and apply heat tape to hold it down. So now that we have our sublimation blank product taped to our transfer paper, we're now ready to go to our heat press. Now I want to point out, on all of our products on our website, we have tech tips, and I highly encourage you to check out our tech tips for any product that you're working with from Johnson Plastics Plus. And so now we're going to walk through the steps for the can cooler and what we recommend in our tech tip. And what we'll first do is we're going to take a foam pad and place it on our heat press. And what this is going to do is help cushion and prevent the can cooler from being crushed under the pressure of the press. So we'll put that down first. We're going to take a piece of blank normal copy paper and put it on top of our foam pad. And the purpose of this is to prevent any damage from the coloring off-gassing onto the foam pad so that we can continue to use the foam pad over and over. So once we have that, we'll go ahead and place our product with the transfer face up on top. We'll place it just on top of the blowout paper. And by the way, you want to make sure to center your piece on the bed of your press as much as possible to ensure even pressure on the item. And now we'll take another piece of blowout paper and put it on top of the transfer paper, so that way we protect the heat platen of the press as well from any off-gassing that may happen. So we'll place that on top, and now we're ready to press our item. And we'll go ahead and close our press. Now that the time is up, we'll go ahead and open our press. And we'll slide out our product. Take off the blowout paper. We can take our can cooler off. Peel it off of the transfer paper, and we now have one side of our can cooler finished. And to finish the entire product, just simply repeat the steps on the other side. Thanks for walking through the Epson F170 printer with me today. If you have any questions or want more information, please visit us at jpplus.com.